Evening, good evening, children, parents, and all participants. Welcome to the Sports for All Training Club's fitness program that we have curated for you all. Thank you for joining us. So, as you know, this is a very crucial time in our lives. It's probably one of the few times that we will be going through a lockdown, and it's very important that all of us stay fit and healthy during these times. Okay, so Sports for All uh, always has been doing a great amount of work with children in terms of tournaments, and this is a new concept that they've come out with, the Trainer Club, and we will be doing fitness sessions, which we will be starting. So this is a trial class. Thank you for joining. E7 Fitness is the provider that does the fitness program for them. A little bit about E7 Fitness. We are a company that is predominantly of sportsmen with a sporting background, and we do physical education programs and after school fitness and performance fitness programs for children. And our forte is basically only children. We only train children. So all sportsmen are involved in this, and we like to welcome you to this program. I hope you'll have fun. It's going to be a fun session. uh, I hope all the children have a ball with them, preferably a football or a basketball. That size would be good, but if not, even a smaller ball would be fine. Okay, so welcome to the SFA Training Club fitness class today. So I'll just go through the flow of the session. We're going to do a quick warm up and then a cardio session segment to start with. We'll be dividing the training into 3 segments: a cardio segment, a strength segment, a balance segment, and finally we'll end with a coordination game. So we'll do a quick warm up and then a cardio section. Basically, a cardio segment is basically we're going to get your heart rate to go up and circulation of blood throughout the body. Okay, so that's a cardio section. Then we will do a small fun activity, keep the kids focused. Have a water break. And strength, we will concentrate on some core strength and lower body strength for today. And finally, we'll do balance, very key in sports, balance and coordination, very important in any sport. So all fitness, you must integrate balance and coordination in all your fitness training program. Okay, so I think we are ready to start. I hope all the children are ready. Yes, so we'll start with the warm-up and a little bit about the coach who's going to take your training today is Mohammad Tahir. He's an experienced, very experienced E7 coach. He's been around for the past 6 years. He's a PE teacher. He's a national hockey player and he's a certified hockey coach from the National Institute of Sports, that NIS, and also a certified fitness trainer from ISA, that is International Sports Association. He has a lot of experience and he's been with E7 for the past 6 years, 7 years. Okay, Tahir, you can go ahead with the warm-up. Let's start the workout.
Hello kids, myself Tahir. I'm from E7 Fitness. So today you will be following me for the workout. Okay, I want you to give a big thumbs up with a smile. Come on, a big smile and a thumbs up.
Yes, we're going to have fun, okay?
Okay, chalo, now start following me everybody. We'll start with the hand rotation, 5 times clockwise and move 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 backwards now, same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, hands on your hips. Now going for hip rotation, 5 times clockwise and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The other way around, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I want you to raise your right leg high and do proper ankle rotation 5 counts. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the same leg you do backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg up. Rotate your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Backwards all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, kids, we'll start jumping for 20 counts. When you are jumping, I want you to be light on your toes, okay? And then you start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Stay on
10,
your toes and jump.
9,
Good.
8, 7, 6, 5,
Come on,
4,
Gaurang.
3, 2, 1. Okay, jog around slowly, jog around forward, back, jog.
Must
Slowly
concentrate
jog.
on warm up, okay?
Yes, slowly
Before you
jog.
start a workout.
Jog, keep on jogging. Yes. Okay, we'll start. We'll repeat the jumping again, 15 counts and go. Move. 1,
Stay on your
2,
toes, light on your feet.
4,
Knees should be soft.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, 5,
Come on,
4,
Prema, why don't you join in?
2, 1. Okay, walk around, loosen up your legs, walk around. Yes. Walk around, kick your legs out. Okay, guys, the next warm up will be doing jumping jacks. 15 jumping jacks. I hope everybody knows the jumping jacks. For who don't know jumping jack, watch me. Okay, this is called a jumping jack. You will be doing this for 15 counts. Wait. So ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Start. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
Try to
7,
touch your hands on top together. So there's a
5,
full range of motion. Very good.
3, 2, 1. And jog around, jog around your house, jog. Slowly jog. Okay, we're going to start the same way. 10 counts now and go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. Now into a stretch. Spread your legs apart. Now we are going to touch our ankles, but remember without bending your knees. Okay, watch me before you do it. Touch the ankles and come up. Remember without bending your knees. Ready? 5 counts and go. 1 and up. 2 and up. Good. 3 up. 4 up. One last one. 5 and up. Okay, bend on one side. Yes. Same other way around.
Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch. Good.
Okay, guys, we are done with the warm up. I want you to get the football now, okay? Everybody, please get your footballs.
Get your ball, whichever ball you have close by, get the ball. Okay, we'll be using the ball for the cardio segment, okay? If you do not have a ball, that's fine. You can get maybe a pillow from your house next to you or something, okay? Even a small ball will be fine. Some of you all have put your cameras off. Please put your cameras on. We need to see all when you all are doing so that we can correct your form, please. Very good. Good with the warm-up. Excellent, everybody. Okay, I think everybody's got the ball, pillow. Taisa, go ahead.
Okay, everybody, watch me before we start the exercise. We'll keep the ball down and you'll be doing ball taps. You'll be doing this for 20 counts. Watch me. When you're doing this, I want your toe to touch the ball and at the same time move your hands. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see my hand moving on your toes. Okay? So ready, everybody? Take your position down.
Toe touch on the ball, okay? Just slightly touch your toe on the ball. Ready?
Okay, ready, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, move.
Come on, let's
20,
go.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Good, continue. 14, 13,
Going.
12. Move your hands. 10, 9.
Come on, Rashmi,
8,
move your hands.
7,
Continue.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, hands up, everybody. Hands up.
Well done, everybody.
Okay, bounce. Go to the right. Right to left, left to right without bending your knees. Good.
Dynamically stretch now. Yeah, just touch, go towards your toes. Try to keep your knees slightly locked, okay? That means
Okay.
don't bend
Guys,
your
again,
knees.
we'll repeat the set, but this time for 30 counts. Okay? I want you to move fast now. Since you all got how to do it, I want you to move it fast now. 30 counts. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on, let's go. Build up the pace now.
11, 12. Come on, faster, guys. Move faster.
Come on, Kahan, move.
15, 14, 13, 12. Come on, last 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Relax. Very done. Walk around,
Well
kids.
done.
Good, good, good. Walk around. Breathe in, breathe out. Concentrate on your breathing. Get your breath back for the next exercise. Okay, guys. Close the camera. Watch me what I'm going to do next. Everybody close the camera. Watch me what I'm going to do next. We'll be doing high knee with the balls, okay? We'll keep the ball in front of you. And I want you to lift your knee up and touch the ball. Watch me. Without stopping, we'll be doing this for 15 counts. Okay? Now knee touching the ball. Not the ball touching the knee.
The ball has to.
Okay? So ready, everybody?
The ball has to be waist tight, okay? And when you land on the balls of your feet, not your heels, okay?
Everybody
drive your knees to the ball.
3, 2, 1, and go. Come on, move.
Come on, kids, let's go.
Yeah.
Sadula, come on. Start.
Very good. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, face me. Hands up with the ball and bend down without bending your knees. Hands up again.
Do a nice toe touch. Good.
And down without bending your knees. For last one, hands up. And down again. Okay, guys. Again, we are repeating high knee running for 15 counts. Chalo, ready? Everybody, please take your position back.
Come on, let's push the pace now. Let's go faster, huh? You're fully warmed up. Come on.
Keep the ball in front of you. 3, 2, 1, go. Move. Come on.
Come on, let's go. Faster.
Come on, last 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. Well done. Walk. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, everybody follow me. Hand in front of you. When you inhale, I want you to come up on your toes, okay? Inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. Come on.
As you go on your toes, try to keep a balance. Keep your legs shoulder width apart, okay? Slightly apart. Up on your toes, inhale and exhale. As you expand your
chest. The next exercise, you will be running around the ball. It's a quick fit movement, okay? Please watch me. You'll keep the ball and you'll go around the ball. You'll go around the ball from forward to back. When you're going around the ball, I want you to move at least 10 to 12 steps. Small steps and quick, fast. Watch me. This will be your position. Tonight I tell you to go small steps. Stop. Okay? Watch me again. See how small steps I make, but I'm quick. Watch it. Stop. Okay? So ready, everybody? Take your positions fast.
The key is to make many small steps and fast steps. Okay? It's quick foot movement around the ball.
Yeah. Everybody face me. Yeah, kids, are going forward to back.
Face the camera, yeah.
Remember, if you want to move fast, I want you to stay low. Yeah, on your toes. Okay?
Yeah.
We are doing this one time first, one rotation. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, move. Stop. Very good. The same thing we are going to repeat it twice now. Okay? Forward to back 2 times. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, move. 1 move. 2, and stop. Good. Well done, guys. Well done. The last one, again, you're going to do this, but 3 circles now. Okay, I want you to go around the ball 3 times. Bend down, stay low on your toes. Last time you're going to go 3 rounds and go.
Come on, faster now, faster.
1, come on, move.
Go.
2. Last one. Okay, relax. Okay, guys, well done. Now we are going to do the anti-clockwise the same way, but we are going to move backward to forward. We are moving forward to back, right? Now we'll be moving backward to forward. Watch. Stay down. And I'm going to move backward to forward and stop. Okay? So ready, everybody? Stay low on your toes. You're going back to forward one round and go. Small steps and stop. Good. Now the same thing I'm going to do it, but 2 rotations. 2 times around the ball and go. 1. Come on, 1. 2 and stop. Well done. The last one will be doing it 3 times, okay? 3 times. Ready? Come on, guys. Last round. I want you to move fast. Stay low and go. 1. Come on, move.
Come on, faster.
Last one.
Well
Relax.
done, everybody.
Okay.
Well done. Good.
Walk around, get your breath back. Loosen up your legs. Kick your legs out. Yes.
Best way to recover is to breathe. Huh? Breathe. Breathe and take deep breaths, okay?
Okay, the last one, guys, will be doing the last part of the cardio segment. Then I want you all to play a game, okay? Last thing I want you all to do of the cardio segment, watch me.
Keep
We
the
are
ball
going to
away
5
now.
steps to your right, 5 steps to your left. Okay, we are going in a sideward motion. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, remember, guys, when you're doing sidewards, I want you all to stay low and on your toes. You all will move much quicker and faster. Okay? 5 steps to your right, 5 steps to your left.
The key
We'll
is
be
to have a low
continuously
center of
doing this
gravity.
at least for 15 seconds without stopping. Ready? Stay low and move. Come on.
Let's
Yes.
go. Low center of
Faster,
gravity,
faster,
slightly
faster.
soft on the knees.
Get out of space now. Good. Come on, 5
Lateral
seconds.
movement. Let's go.
Move.
Rishika, come on,
5,
start.
4, 3, 2, and relax. Okay, walk around.
Well done. Remember, low center of gravity, okay? Soft knees. That's the way you'll change direction fast. Okay?
Okay, kids, when you're doing lateral movement, I want you to stay low. You can't stand at lateral movement. I want you to stay low. I want the center of gravity so that you can move faster. Okay, please keep this in mind. Chalo, ready? Stay low. Again, side to side, 20 seconds, and go. Move.
Come on, let's
Come on,
go.
move. Yes, move. Better.
Use how much space you have in your house. Yeah.
Come on, faster. Last 10 seconds. Move. 10, 9. Come on. Supriya, move. No stopping. 8, 7.
Very good.
5,
Come on,
4,
Krishna.
3, 2, and relax. Walk.
Everybody, well done.
Okay, y'all want to play a game, everybody?
Okay, let's play a game now. A fun
Thumbs up.
activity.
Okay, get the ball, everybody. Please get your balls. I'll explain you the game. Yeah, everybody close to the camera. Watch me what I'm doing first. Then follow me. Everybody close to the camera. Watch me. What's the game? Okay, so you'll keep the ball between your legs. Slightly you will bend down. You have to react on my call, okay? It's a reaction game. I'll say head, knees, toes, head, eyes, ears. When I say ball, whoever picks up the ball first is the winner. Is it clear? Okay? The
So
first
sir-
3 will be the winners here. Chalo, ready?
Sir is going to say the body parts and then he's going to say ball. So basically, this is going to test your reaction, okay? It's a reaction game. Very important. Okay, sir, go.
Okay, when I say ball, you have to pick up the ball fast. Huh? Remember, listen to me very carefully. Yeah. Stay low. Good. Head.
Follow.
Knees. Toes.
Prima, follow.
Your back. Ears. Eyes. Head. Hands up. Ball.
Quick. Very good.
Okay, good guys. Good. All are fast here. I can't decide.
Sadala, very good.
Good.
China also very good.
All are very fast here. One more time.
One more time. Come on, quickly react and pick up the ball.
Head, knee, toes, knee, toes, knee, toes, knee, toes, knee, toes, knee, toes, hands up. Ball.
Okay, well done, well done. Good.
Okay, guys, one last one we do before we go for water break. The same way we are going to do it, but our back facing the ball now. Watch me. Okay, my back is facing the ball. Head, knee, toe. Soon as I say ball, turn around and pick the ball first. Okay, I want you to see how fast you'll react on my call. So ready?
Some of the kids are not putting their cameras on. Please put your cameras on. We need to monitor when you're doing the exercises. Yes, sir, go.
Okay, head, shoulder, knees, toes, hands up, toes, hands up, your hip, ball.
Quick. Good. Well done, everybody.
Okay, sir, break.
Yeah, we'll have a water break. Have a quick water break. Hydrate yourselves. Okay. So you all can do some exercises. You can learn some exercises and also do these exercises every day. Okay, it's very important to do this, especially during the lockdown, to stay active and fit. Okay, and get your immunity up. So that's the most important thing. One of the keys to keeping your immunity up is to exercise. So you must get 15-20 minutes of exercise twice a day, morning and in the evening, or preferably 45 minutes of exercise. Okay. So excellent. Have a quick sip of water. We'll get into the strength segment. We are already running a bit late. Tahir sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's get into the strength. We're running a little late already. Okay, well done, everybody. Kids, excellent. You all are doing fantastically well.
Okay, guys, now watch me stay to the camera. Watch me what I'm doing next. Now we'll be doing a better, okay, a full squat. You keep the ball in front of you. When I tell you to go down, you go down, right down, your bottom is touching the heel and up. We'll be doing this for 10 counts, okay? Remember, when you go down, I want you to inhale. When you come up, I want you to exhale. Okay? Is it clear? Shall everybody take your positions? You're going to do this 10 minutes.
Everybody do this exercise slowly. Don't do it fast. Remember, when you go down, your knees have to come outward, not inside, okay? And your heels have to be flat on the floor. Keep your legs about shoulder width apart, slightly apart of wider than the shoulder. Sit slowly and get up, okay? Knees going outward. Okay, sir, start.
Come on, keep the ball in front of you. Yes, slowly they're going to do it. Come on, 1, up, 2, and up. 3, up.
Very good,
4,
Rishika.
up. Very good. 5, and up. 6. Right down. 7. 8. Shaina, I want you to go right down. 9. One last one, and 10. Okay, the same way we'll do a better. But when we come up, I want you to jump. Okay, watch me. You're doing a better. When I tell you to jump up and come. 1, jump, 2, jump, 3. Okay.
What's important
Let me
is,
see who jumps the highest here.
what's important is when you land, you have to land with your knees soft. Okay, that means bend your knee and cushion the jump. When you jump and you land with soft knees. Okay, and do it slowly. Okay, let's go.
Come on. This will be your starting position. When you jump up and the ball go ahead, and then you come up and on ball in your feet. Ready? And I jump. I want the jumps high. And you go 1. Come on, higher. Jump high.
Slowly,
2,
slowly, Gaurav. Don't do fast.
3,
Slowly. Yeah.
4. Come on, guys, higher. 5.
Keep your legs slightly apart. Soft
6.
knees when you land.
7. 3 more. 8. 9. Last one. And 10. Okay, the next exercise, I want you all to go against the wall. We'll be doing a wall sit. Imagine you all are sitting on a chair. Okay, watch me, everybody. This is the wall here. I'm going again. 1 step ahead of the wall. Your back on the wall. Go down. Keep the ball in front of you and hold. Okay.
Find a wall next to you in your house. It's okay if the camera is not towards you. Just find a wall or a place where you can Important to remember is your back has to be flat against the wall. Your stomach should be tucked in. You should be 90 degrees down, okay? So your knees have to be 90 degrees parallel to the floor, okay? And engage your core. Keep your stomach tight. Ready, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Everybody
everybody
against
get
the
ready.
wall.
So we're going to work our upper body also by keeping the ball in front, yeah? Okay, and we hold it tight.
30
5.
seconds. 3, 2, 1. Hold. Yes. Hold
Okay.
everybody. Yes.
Hands straight out. Hands straight out. Yeah, let's work the upper body. Keep the hands straight out.
Abhinav, go
Like
down.
as if you're sitting on a chair.
Yeah.
Good. Remember, your knees have to go out, not in. Abhinav, sit down lower. Get your legs slightly in front, Abhinav. They're too close to the wall. Bring your legs. Yeah, very good.
Okay,
Now
10 seconds up.
back flat against the wall. Shaina, you too, back flat against the wall.
Back against the wall.
Yeah, back should be flat
Okay,
against
last
the
10
wall.
seconds. Come on, Dhruv. What are you doing?
Dhruv.
10.
Yeah.
9. 8.
Maina, you have to
7,
sit down and with not
6,
fully down. You're sitting fully.
5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Well done, guys. Well done.
Very good. Some of you all got tired before that. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, the next, guys, but last set will be doing upper plank, then we'll move to the fun games. Okay, watch me what I'm doing. You will be holding this again for 30 seconds. You will be on your toes. Okay, when I tell you to come up, you lift your bottom up and hold. I don't want the bottom going up, down like that, down like that. This is wrong. On your toes, come up like that in a plank position and hold. You have to look between your hands, engage your core belly tight and hold. Okay, we'll be doing this for 30 seconds. Okay.
Yeah,
So
everybody go onto the floor. Just remember, your back has to be neutral. Back has to be flat. What I mean by neutral, it has to be flat. The bottom should not be up, okay? Your hands have to be exactly underneath your shoulders. You can keep your legs shoulder width apart, so it's slightly easier. Don't look at the camera. Look down. Keep your back flat. Ready, everybody?
3,
okay, sir.
2, 1, and up. Hold, everybody, hold. Yes.
Kahan, your bottom is up. Push your bottom down. Your hands underneath your shoulders.
You all look between your hands. No need of looking in the camera. I can tell you the time. Yes.
Gaurang, stay up for a little while. Little bit only. Yeah. Shaina, bottom is too much up. Push it down. Yeah, it has to be flat. Your back.
10 seconds, guys. 10.
Very good. Very good.
9,
Come on, little more.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Well done, guys. Well done. Okay, everybody close to the camera.
Good.
You all want to play
well
one more game?
Yeah, let's
you want
play
to play
a game. Let's play a game.
Okay, a lot tired, I guess, huh?
No, they'll do. They're doing very well. Remember the exercises whenever you do, kids, you must try to do the correct form. Huh? That's very important. So you must learn the correct form. Okay. Sir, continue. Let's play a game.
Okay, guys, we'll be playing a game called Treasure Hunt. Okay? I'll tell you a thing. You have to go find it, run around your house and get it. Whoever gets it first is the winner. For example, I tell you, go get me a ball. You'll run around, get me a football, show it to the camera. Whoever comes first, the first three will be the winners. Okay?
We are watching from the monitors. Okay? We can see.
And the first one is, I'll give you all an easy one. Okay? Go get me a water bottle. Water bottle fast.
Prema got a water bottle next to her. Okay, Supriya, Prema, very good. Shaina, good.
Okay, this water bottle was close to you. Now, the next one, keep the bottles aside. Listen to me carefully. The next one, go get me a pen.
Quick. Are,
come on, where are you?
Rai, pen first. Vaidehi, very good. Very fast your work. I think the pen was next to the device only. Okay, well done. Vaidehi, Kahan, Akash.
Okay, the next, you all have to get me a, listen to me. Get me a hay comb and come fast. Hay comb.
Quick, comb.
Comb.
Run fast and come. Who's come first? Vaidehi, again you come first.
Wow, Vaidi, very fast, huh?
With Prema, Dhruv, very good. Some have still not found a comb.
Good. Okay, the
Very
next
good,
one
very
is,
good. Supriya also, very good.
the next one is, you have to get me your cap and come, your hair cap. Fast, fast, cap, get me a cap.
You have a cap handy. First, come on, move. Sadula, no cap. Your dad is getting your cap. No, you have to get your cap yourself.
You have to run. Parents know
You have
helping the
to
kids.
run. Parents must not run. Parents can run and train with the.
Wow, Kahan got the India cap, huh? Good, Kahan.
Okay, well done, everybody.
Next one, now I want you to run around, okay? The last one. Listen to me carefully. I want you to get a toothbrush and come your toothbrush fast.
Sadula, run, come on. Every time your dad is getting it for you. Oh, Abhinav, too good. Pratham, too good. Very fast. That was really lightning fast. Many winners. Okay, well done, well done.
Okay, guys, you're done with the game. Now we'll be doing a balance exercise. Okay, watch me. You'll have, I need the ball for this. Everybody get the ball, come close to the camera and watch me. Okay, the ball over your head. Lift your right knee and slowly I want you to rotate the ball around your leg and balance this. Okay, 10 counts. Is it clear? See, I'm not dancing like that. I'm statue and only my hand is moving. The ball is going under my feet and coming up. Okay, we'll be doing this for 10 counts. Very good. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. So you ready?
Okay, the key here is to focus on one spot. Okay, focus on one spot so your eyes don't move. You can concentrate. Okay, your leg which is down is grounded. It should not move at all. Okay, and your the leg which is up has to be 90 degrees up and slowly rotate the ball. Okay, balance, very, very important. Huh?
So ready? Hands up, lift the knee up, and slowly the ball goes from your right hand to left hand,
Come on,
hand
challenge.
to right hand. Slowly.
The challenge, come on.
Very good. Kids, no moving. I can see many of them moving. Hold, hold. Come on, 5 more counts.
Very good, Shaina. Krishna, very good.
Very good. Hold, hold. 3.
Slowly, slowly.
2.
Rahi, do it
Last
slowly.
one.
Your knee has to be up, Rahi.
Very good.
Good,
now
good.
The same way, guys, you take the ball around your left knee. Lift your left leg up, hands up, and go. Come on, 1.
You'll always find one side
2.
weaker than the other. Huh?
3.
Come on, let's see. You'll be able to know which is your weaker side.
4. Very good, guys. Come on, last 5. 5.
Come on, Ishika. Come on, Ishika. Try.
4.
Rahi, you should try. You have to try, please. Mainam
3.
also try. Good.
Come on, 2. 2. Last one. And relax. Well done, guys.
Well done. Those who did it, very good. It's not easy. It's tough. Very good.
Okay, one last balancing exercise before we go for water break. We will be doing high knee running for 5 counts. So now I tell you to pause, you'll stop, pause on your one leg. Watch me. High knee running. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull. Okay? No moving. This the first time my left knee comes up. Again, high knee, and then your right knee comes up and pause and hold. Okay? Clear? Everybody back?
Okay, little bit more difficult. This is a dynamic balance exercise. The first one was a static one. Now we have to move and stop and balance. Okay, little difficult.
So ready?
Come on, try.
High knee running. 3, 2, 1, 2. Come on, move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good.
Statue. Statue, statue, statue.
Very good. Very good. Hold, hold, hold. Little more, little more. Okay, start with high knee. Come on, high knee. And now your right knee comes up and hold.
Statue.
No moving.
Hold.
Very good, guys. Good, good.
Come on, Dhruv. You're stopping. Come on, Dhruv. You must continue. Abhinav, you too. Try.
And high knee again. Come on, high knee, high knee, high knee, high knee. And hold. Left leg up.
Hold, 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 hold. Very good. Yeah. Very good.
Come on, little more, little more. 3, 2, 1. And high knee, start high knee. Now your right knee coming up and hold. Very good, guys. Hold, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. Good, good.
Okay,
Okay,
well done.
have a sip of water and come. Break, break.
Okay, quickly have a sip of water. Well done, everybody. Excellent. You all are doing really well. So we covered quite a few components of fitness. We are trying to cram a lot of things into this 145 minutes. We did a cardio segment, which basically is how your heart works. Okay, your heart and lungs, cardiovascular. Okay, then we did strength segment. We tried to do strength for the lower body and a core exercise, and then we did some balance, very important. Okay, and now we're going to do some coordination. All these components of fitness are very important for when you're going to be playing a sport. Okay, you need certain components of fitness. So sometimes, like for example, if you're playing cricket, you need more coordination, hand-eye coordination. Okay, and so most sports have require all these components of fitness, and in your fitness program you must incorporate most of these components when you're training. Okay, yeah, Tahir sir, you can go ahead.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Now we'll start the coordination exercise. Okay, I want the ball again. So you all will be kneeling down, or you all will be sitting down. Cross legs, sit down. Simple. Cross legs, sit down on the floor. You throw the ball and catch. Okay, I want you to throw the ball and catch. Simple. 20 times.
The ball has to go
Ready?
above your head. The ball has to go above your head. It cannot be only 6 inches. It has to go at least 10 inches above your head.
Going above my
You're going
head
to
and
catch.
catching it. Okay. So everybody sit down. Simple. Keep your back straight and start moving. Come on. 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Sadullah, throw
5,
higher. Throw higher.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7. Come on, catch it, catch it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, kids, watch me. This is too easy, I guess. Huh? Now, when you throw the ball, I want you to throw the ball. I want you to clap once and catch the ball again. Watch me. Throw the ball, clap, clap, throw, clap, throw, clap, throw, clap. Okay, 10 counts. Come on, let me see who can do this. Continue. 1, clap, and then catch the ball. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Now watch me. You all were clapping once. Now I want you to clap twice. This will make it a little difficult. Huh? This is a little challenging. Throw the ball, clap 1, 2, and catch. 1, 2, catch. 1, 2, catch. Okay? Come on, start. Show me how to do it. Throw the ball, clap twice, and catch. Come on, guys, start. Very good. Excellent, guys. Good going. Come on, 5 more. 5, 4, clap twice, not once. 3, 2, and relax. Well done, guys. Okay, ball aside.
Sir, we'll play a game again, sir. Can we play that game with them catching the ball? But they have to be standing now. Let's play the same game, but they have to stand now, throw the ball, clap twice, and catch. Okay? Let's play a game. Now, what they're going to do is the key to this is to keep your eyes on the ball. Yeah? Hand-eye coordination. You have to keep your eyes on the ball and catch. So now, sir, give them 20 seconds, and each of them will count how many times they catch, and we'll see whoever catches the most will be the winner. Okay?
Okay. So you have to throw the ball, clap once, and catch. Whoever catches the most in 20 seconds is the winner. Okay, it's a game now. Ready? And your time starts now. Throw, clap. Come on, continue. Do it fast. Do it fast. And count how many times you are catching
throw
it.
faster. Come on, 20 seconds. Come on, throw, clap, catch. Throw, clap, catch. Throw, clap, catch. Very
10,
good. Keep your eyes on the
9,
ball.
8.
Come on, Vaidehi, why you stopped? Continue.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Well done, guys.
How many caught more than 10 times? Put a thumbs up. More than 10 times. Dhruv caught more than 10 times. Supriya more than 10 times. Very good. Nee, very good. Excellent. Good. Continue, sir.
So cool down.
Yeah, can we do the bouncing game once?
Okay, guys, one last game. Again, it's the hand-eye coordination. You'll remember who plays basketball here? Okay, good.
There are
So
some
you all have
basketball
to
players. Good.
stay low and keep on bouncing the ball. Okay? Chalo, ready? Only with your one hand first. Come on, start moving. Bounce ball. Yeah,
Eyes on the
start
ball,
bouncing.
bounce. Come on, let's see how many times you bounce in 20
Come on,
seconds.
Shaina, move.
One
Very
hand
good,
bounce,
guys.
through one hand bounce.
Good, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, guys. Well done.
Okay, very simple exercise, no? But your eyes are on the ball. Very good, huh? For hand-eye coordination. Okay, sir, now we'll let them use both the hands, left and right. Let's see.
Okay?
Last exercise.
Left to right, left to right, left to right. Chalo, ready? Last one. Very good. Start. Shaina, start.
You have to bounce it, Sadullah. You have to bounce it left to right. Bounce, bounce. Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Very
and
good, Vaidehi.
relax.
Very
Well
good.
done,
very
guys. Good, good.
Okay. I think we'll cool down now.
Okay, guys, everybody, now we start with the cool down exercises. Just follow me. Go back. Keep your legs straight. Okay, hands behind and start tapping your toes. Start tapping your
Everybody
toes.
sit on the floor.
Yes.
Yeah, sit on the floor. It's as important to cool down as it is important to warm up. Okay.
Tap your toes. Good. Okay, the next I want you to tap your knees on the floor. Tap your knees to the floor. Good. Okay, bend your legs. Yes. Now I want to have both your knees touching the floor. Okay, you drop both your knees to the right side. Watch me like that. Both knees are touching the floor like that. And hold. Yes. Hands behind. Hold. Change to the left side and hold. Right again. And left. Okay. Now we'll be doing a butterfly. Heels together. Take your heels towards you. Back straight and start flapping. Yes, flap.
Supriya,
5,
hold your toes. Yeah. Gently push your
4,
knees down. Gently.
3, 2, 1. Okay, one last exercise before we are done. Straight legs. Keep your feet toes together. Hands up. You will be touching your toes and coming up. But remember, when you touch your toes, I don't want you to bend your knees. Your knees have to be long. You can't touch your toes, at least touch the ankles. Okay? Back straight, hands up. Touch your toes. Hands up. Touch your toes.
Go to your maximum
Hands up.
position. Yeah,
Knees
good.
locked, guys. Keep your feet together. Touch your toes. Hands up. Okay. Now the last one we are going to hold for 5 counts. Ready? Hands up, back straight, feet together, knees locked, and down. Try to touch the forehead to the knee and hold.
Hold.
5, 4,
Try to go from the
3,
lower back. Okay. Go from the lower back, Vaidehi.
2, and relax. Well done. One more time, I'm going to do the same thing. Hands up, feet together, knees locked, and hold your toes. Try to touch the forehead to the knee. Hold. No bending your knees. 5, 4. Come on, down. Head down. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining this session. I hope you all had fun. We had a lot of fun with you all. I hope you all had fun. Now, Sports for All, SFA, they will be in touch with you all. If anybody would like to join this, it will be a session that will be conducted thrice a week for a month's time. Okay. Just remember what I told you about immunity. This is the time to keep your immunity up. There are are 3-4 things that you need to remember, very important things. Okay, one is you need to keep your hygiene up. Okay, wash your hands. Okay, and take care hygienically. You have to be very clean. That's first. Secondly, you must eat well and eat healthy. Okay, very important. Third, you must sleep. You must get enough of sleep. Okay, that's also very important to keep your immunity up. And the fourth and most important is to stay physically active and fit. Okay, that's the best way to keep your immunity up. And to stay physically and active, fit, you need to work out at least 45 minutes in a day. Okay, something you can do at home. Okay, thank you very much, children. We had a lot of fun with y'all. Okay, thank you and see you all soon. And don't forget to put your feedback on.